Break ID number 1351. 2017 Panini XR Football 2-box break. This one does have a $100 one-of-one bounty. And that's for any one-of-one, even if we get more than one. Here is the alphabetical list. And go. And there you go. Sean M.O. with a free spot with the Bills. All right, XR. There's still Triple Threads football up there. There's Spectra football, Rookies and Stars, which we've had some crazy luck with. And that extra Illusions. And if you just want to grab a spot and make sure you've got it, we are doing some tonight also, so we can continue. To 25, Leonard Fournette. Rookie Jumbo Jersey Auto. Short print. 5 of 25. Holy cow. To Jacksonville. Derek M.A. Nice hit. And it's short print. I'm pretty sure there's something super short print behind it too. Yep, 10 of 10, Sammy Watkins. Illustrious Gold. To Buffalo, Sean M.O. in the free spot. That is a free card. Jordy Nelson to 299. Jared Goff to 199. Shelton Gibson auto to 199. To the Eagles. Keith, CU. Our Joshua Dobbs triple jersey to 99. Pittsburgh, Sean, MO. Donnell Pumphrey to 299. Des Bryant to 199. Evan Ingram snuck up on me. Evan Ingram, triple swatch autos, blue. So because this has a bounty, we just need to triple check the print run on this one. I'm pretty sure it's not, but just want to make sure. Hold on a second. Blue is to 49. And that is to the Giants. Sean, MO. Mike Evans to 49. T.Y. Hilton to 199. Jay Ajayi to 299. Last pack. Luminous endorsements. Cooper Cup. And short print 20 of 25. Very nice. To the Rams. Robert, M.I. X-Team Trios, Cam Newton, Christian McCaffrey, and Luke Kuechly to 49. Carolina. Robert, M.I. Antonio Gates to 299. Golden Tate to 199. All right, that stuff is impressive again.